Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Organized by Darci, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video is in collab with several other YouTubers, hosted of course by Mrs. V and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. Now the rules were very basic, and the way Mrs. V explained it, we were to have fun. That was one of the rules. And when I heard those words, I knew I wanted to have fun in this collab. So pretty much number 2 rule was that we needed to prepare a meal in Instant Pot, a pressure cooker or a slow cooker. And number 3 rule was that we needed to include the recipe of whatever dish or dishes we were preparing. And of course, number 4 rule was that we needed to subscribe to both her channel and also to Kenya's channel. So those were the 4 basic rules. I thought they were pretty easy, and so I'm so happy to be part of this collab. So again, if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as part of our community here. And of course, be sure to go over to Kenya and Mrs. V's channels and see the playlist, because they'll have all the participants who are participating in this collab. They'll have their videos in the playlist, so you really don't want to miss that. Again, please hop over to their channels, show them some love, subscribe to their channels as well, and let's get started. Thank you, Mrs. B and Kenya, for hosting this challenge. I'm so excited to be a part of this collab. Let me show you what I'm preparing right now. So I'm preparing a chicken dish, and it's been prepared in my Instant Pot. So let's go over to the Instant Pot. So this is the Instant Pot right here that I'm preparing some chicken in. And as you can see, I'm sauteing the chicken right now. Before I saute the chicken, what I did was I pre-washed the chicken with some lemons, and I took the skin off, of course. And I prepared I marinated the chicken with some bell peppers, onions, and I'll show you the other ingredients that I used. So of course I had put the basic seasoning on, which are, some of these are the seasoning that I used. I had a lemon pepper, chopped onions, black pepper, a little bit of seasoning salt. Actually I used the Himalayan salt here. Jerk chicken seasoning, and Jamaican jerk chicken seasoning, real spicy, and chicken stock. So those are the ingredients that I used, and I'll have that information in the description bar below as well. So the Instant Pot is here with the chicken, and it's being marinated. So I'll put the cover on after I've added in the ingredients that I have in this container, and then we'll go from there. So the cover is on and we are ready to go. Let me get the timer on. So I have here pressure cook, and we're doing the chicken, and it says 35 minutes, but of course you know the 35 minutes is just the time for it to get to a certain level, and then you'll start cooking. So it's not actually 35 minutes of cooking. So let's get started. So the chicken is cooked and ready to be served. I have added some broccoli to the chicken. I've steamed some broccoli actually and added that to the chicken at the end for garnishing. As well as I made some other side dishes that are not on the table, but we'll add that on later on. This is mainly to show you what the chicken looks like after it has been prepared for 35 or so minutes in the Instant Pot. So again, hope you like this video. Hope you'll take some time to subscribe to my channel. Hope you'll take some time also to hop over to Kenya and Mrs. V's channels and see the playlist, watch all the participants, and as usual, have a great evening. I hope to see you again in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.